Welcome back to another episode of Excel. I am your host, Nav. In the last video, we learned how to use VLOOKUP function, and today we will learn how to use HLOOKUP function, which is not much different than VLOOKUP. But if you have not watched the last video yet, please go and watch. VLOOKUP is one of the most used functions in Excel, and it can change the way you work significantly. And also, please hit the subscribe button as well so you don't miss any update from this channel. Let's get started. As VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup, and it is mostly used when the data that any user is trying to extract information from is organized horizontally. Let's jump right into a practical example. Here I have a simple table. In row number 1, I have listed the months from January to December. In row 2, we have total sales amount for each month, and in row 3, we have total number of products that were sold during each month. Now on the dashboard page, I have created a drop-down list of each month. If you don't know how to create a drop-down list, then please go and watch tutorial number 20. In cell C9 and C10, we need number of products sold in a particular month and total sales during that month. Let's apply HLOOKUP function to get this data. In cell C9 type, equal HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, and in the lookup argument, we will select cell C8, which is our month that we need the information for. I will make C8 an absolute reference. Then press comma, and in the table array we will select row number 1 to 3 in sheet 1 and make it an absolute reference as well. Now press comma, and since we need number of product sales first, then I will type 3 in the row index number, and again press comma and type false in the range lookup argument as we want exact match. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. There we have the number of products sold during the month. Now copy and paste this function to cell C10 and change the row index number to 2. Press enter and you should have your total sales amount for the given month. Now you can play with the month drop down as you want. Your data in cell C9 and C10 should update automatically. It looked super simple, did it not? Especially after discovering VLOOKUP function. Well, now it's your turn. Practice HLOOKUP function with your own data. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.